Hey guys, this is Toasty here, and today we are going to be doing a play to catch some oders. If you don't know what oders are, they are Roblox online daters. So, as I am trying to fix this tab, if this tab wants to work, as you can see, it's not liking me right now, which is totally okay. We're going to have to close out of this now, I believe. If we can get that to work, that would be great. Thanks. So now we're just recording a bee because why not? Okay. Tell him not best at this. Yeah, I don't think I will am in the game anymore. So we are going to do okay. What? It's fine. Just for now. They can hear us talking, so whatever. Okay, we are now recording. Yeah, well, now is when we get to the actual video. I'm a senior, and as you can tell, I'm a boy in real life, right? But actually, I'm a girl on the game, because today we're going to be catching some online daters.
Yes, we are. And this is me.
My sister's just being annoying. Okay. So, we're going to go in my truck. Not a truck, my car. This dumb noob keeps trying to get in my car.
That I'm not new. Okay, goodbye. I'm gonna go with my
That noob is my sister. Okay. So we are headed to the Club Red, cause that place is lit.
Yes.
I like yes, you are recording this? I am too. I will not give you 100 Robux, but nice try. So we're playing some. Oh gosh, Helena, somebody's name is actually G-Li B-Li.
Oh my god.
Do you see it?
No, I don't. What the?
Well, somebody's name is G-Li B-Li, which, if you don't know, is my favorite video.
Oh my god, it's so amazing.
G-Li B-Li, gun my rent can die.
Okay, I'm going into Club Red.
Otherwise, there are more zombies. See, this is why we don't like to play around these fake YouTubers, because they lag our game. This woman over here is
Oh gosh. You okay?
I'm gonna become a boy now because that sounds appropriate.
I'm going to be in the club.
Okay.
I'm gonna try and find some people.
What the heck are we gonna do now?
Nice. Nope, no one's here.
Kind of feel like I should.
Oh my god, it's a noob.
Kind of feel like we should add something to it, but I don't know what I want to add to my avatar. So I'm gonna stick with an original look. Yay! We all love those things, right? No, of course we don't. Okay. Off topic. We are going to. Actually, I'll be a girl, cause why not? We're catching odors after all. Lots of boys are like, oh, let me date you. Okay.
Well, those are the girls that do that.
No. Boys do it too.
I see those girls.
Are you trying to offend girls? Good. Gushy. Because if you were not, you are trying to offend women. And I do not agree. Do you understand me? Okay. Oh, Mo.
Hello.
I'm gonna tell everybody I'm recording
Yes.
for YouTube. Ooh.
I'm recording for YouTube. Yeah, you scroll it wrong.
Let's see what they say. Oh, smiley face. Okay. Well, we're going to reset character.
It's this. Oh, it won't let you say YouTube. Oh God. Oh God.
It won't let you say YouTube. Oh no. I'm just gonna go around saying, I'm recording.
I'm recording.
I'm recording.
Oh, turn, you stupid thing. Turn, you stupid car. Yep, no. Echo. Stop.
BRB.
Keep them occupied. Me? Me keep them occupied? He said to keep you occupied. So. Okay, I'm back. Yeah. I kept them occupied, I guess.
You guess so.
I don't know.
Okay.
Okay.
Somebody asked for the channel, so.
Somebody asked for what?
My YouTube channel.
Channel is. No, I don't want to sit in this car. Channel is. Is one. She's like so close. Stop being so close. Toasty toast.
Dude.
With face. Okay. It's that face. Okay. People. With face. I will go. Okay.
Yeah?
Your lunch is ready.
Okay.
I'll let you take care of your own ketchup so you know how much you want.
Okay.
It's on the table.
Thank you, Aunt Karen.
You're welcome.
Okay, bye guys. See you later. Toasty toast.